Have you considered moving to Canada if you're an American citizen? There's some things that I recommend you consider before you take that big step. You need to think about immigration first and foremost. How are you going to be able to stay in Canada for longer than the 6 months maximum that a visitor can remain in Canada? You need to think about healthcare. How are you going to take care of yourself if you have an accident and you need to go to the emergency? You need to think about your licensing, any credentials you have in the United States, and in making sure that they are being recognized in Canada the same way as they are in the United States. So for instance, nurses, doctors, dentists, engineers, lawyers, accountants. Are your credentials qualified to allow you to do the same work in Canada? If not, you need to do this work before you come to Canada. So we've talked about healthcare, maybe recommending you get travel insurance. One of the ways to get status in Canada is if you have a job offer and you're able to get a work permit from a Canadian employer that's looking to hire you to work for them. In order to stay here more than 6 months, you need a work permit or you need to be attending school, and that allows you to be here for a year or 2 or 3 or 4 years. Or you have a spouse that is here for school and you are an accompanying spouse with an open spousal work permit. So before you get up and go head north past the 49th parallel, you need to understand that working in Canada requires some preparation. I always recommend to our clients, don't sell your house, don't give up anything until you have obtained the necessary legal status so you can be in Canada and not worry that you may have to leave within 6 months. If you want to learn more about your options to move to Canada, if you're an American citizen, please do reach out to us. We need to talk first before you take the big step to head north.